Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to navigate the My Users page. The My Users page allows you to manage existing users as well as create new ones. To edit an existing user, you can either click on their name or the gray pencil icon. Here you'll be able to edit various details such as their email, change their password, change their role, or any optional items here. There are multiple ways you can create new users. You can send a user an email invitation using the Invite User button. You can create a user and fill out all their details immediately using the Create User button. Or if you have multiple users you'd like to create at one time, you can use the Bulk Import Users button. The Bulk Import Users feature is recommended for teachers. When creating a user, you can select between two roles, Mission Manager and Content Creator. Mission Managers are recommended for administrative staff and have full control over all your missions as well as their content. Content creators are recommended for anyone that will be creating content for your missions. Any content that is created by a content creator will require approval by a mission manager. And that is how you navigate the My Users page. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.